Good morning, children. Have a nice day. Standard 7th Geography Unit 1 Exploring Continents North America and South America. Today, discuss the topic Minerals of South America. South America is rich in minerals. These mineral deposits are unevenly distributed. South America has many valuable deposits of minerals, particularly of iron ore, manganese, petroleum, copper, and bauxite. There are some active mines producing silver and gold. The continent has little coal, which is still one of the mainstays of industrial economies. Northern Chile has the world's only natural deposit of sodium nitrate, an important ingredient of fertilizer. Next, iron ore. South America contains about 1/5 of the world iron ore reserves. Brazil and Chile both have massive deposit of iron ore. Brazil has the second largest iron ore deposit in the world after Russia. Brazil is estimated to have about 50% of the world export of iron ore. High-grade iron ore has long been mined at Itabira, Minas Gerais, and a new site in the Carajás. Next, manganese. Brazil also has large deposit of manganese. Manganese ore is mined at Lafayette, Minas Gerais, and in the northern state of Mapa. Next, petroleum. Venezuela is rich in petroleum deposits. Argentina, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, Chile, and Bolivia are the other valuable oil fields. Petroleum is only mineral produced in substantial quantity. Argentina is most self-sufficient in petroleum. Venezuela is one of the world's leading producers of iron and largest oil exporter outside the Middle East. Next, copper. Chile is the third largest producer of copper in the world. Copper provides over 40% of exports by value. Some of the biggest copper mines of the world are located in Peru. It is found in Atacama Desert. Bauxite. Brazil is the third largest bauxite producing country. An important bauxite mining center is located near the mouth of Amazon River. Bauxite is used for aluminum production. Next, discuss the topic industries. Industries in South America have developed slowly. Argentina, Brazil, and Chile are the most highly developed industrial countries in this continent. Until World War I, the continent exported most of its mining production and large amount of minerals, particularly petroleum, copper, and iron, are still exported. The continent lacks infrastructure, especially transport, which is an essential need for industrialization. Railways and other roads could not be developed sufficiently owing to a rugged terrain. The Amazon and the La Plata rivers provide cheap water transport. In spite of having an abundance of natural resources, industrialization started quite late in South America. Recently, new industries are being set up with locally available raw materials. Brazil is the most industrialized country in the continent, followed by Argentina. Next, country and industries. Brazil. Iron ore and steel, cotton textile, sugar, food processing, oil refining, chemical and automobile industries. Argentina. Meat processing and canning, dairy products, food processing, leather processing, wooden textiles, sugar and oil refining industries. Chile. Oil refining, chemical fertilizer and copper smelting industries. Peru. Mining and the processing of minerals, chemicals, fertilizer, sugar, coffee and wool textiles industries. Uruguay. Dairy products, meat processing and woolen textiles industry. Venezuela. Oil refining, chemical fertilizer and copper smelting industries. Next, trade. South America has significant role in the world trade. More than half of the South America, the traders are shared by Brazil, Argentina, Venezuela, Peru and Chile. South America's major exporters are mostly primary commodities such as sugar, coffee, cocoa, tobacco, beef, corn, wheat, petroleum, natural gas, linseed, cotton, iron ore, tin and copper. South America products include mostly exported to North America and Europe. It is imports or machinery, vehicles, chemicals, paramedicals, the pharmaceutical, paper or textiles. These are imported from North America and Europe. Thank you.